Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to embed Zillow reviews into your website using SociableKIT and the website builder WordPress. First, we're going to the official page of SociableKIT, and from here, if you haven't created your account yet, just click this create widget button, and this will take you to the create widget button and it will sign you up. And if you have already created your account, just click this login button. And from here, we're gonna have to click this create widget button, and if you click this, it will always redirect you to the creation of widget page. And from here, we're going to have to select our widget type, and in our case, it is Zillow reviews. Here it is, and now it says here that we have to put our Zillow username. So what is our Zillow username? Now, go into your Zillow page. In here, we're going to use this a company and their Zillow reviews as an example. So the Zillow reviews or the Zillow username is this. We can copy this and we can paste it here. And all we have to do now is click next. Now this is our Zillow reviews. As you can see, everything that is in here is also in our Zillow page. Now it takes up unto 1 minute to sync up, and if you have encountered any problems, just click this button located at the bottom right corner of your screen to open up the SociableKIT chat support. Now, into the left side of your screen is the customization and moderations tab, and I'm going to highlight some of them. First, in the themes tab, in here there are different kinds of default theme. Now each of this theme has its color combination. So for example, this Maayos theme, if I click this yes button, this color combination of black, white, brown, and gray should be embedded into our Zillow reviews feed. And as you can see, it is now in the Maayos theme. Now moving on into the reviews tab. In here, we can change the layout of our feed. So for example, for masonry, I can choose to change it into grid or carousel. So in our case, I'm going to change it into grid because it is more professional and organized. And we can also change the post height, the column count. I can put it into, I think going to keep it to 3. And the default review, I think 10 is good. And I'm going to save changes. There we go. Now if you are fine with it, you can now move on to the colors tab. In here, if you didn't find the color theme that fits your website in the themes tab, you can always manually change it in here. So you can change the feed background color manually. You can add any color that you like, the feed font color, review background color, and so on. Now moving on into the fonts tab. In here, you can also change your font family. So for example, from Arial font, I can change it into Century Gothic. And if I click save changes, this should change from Arial font family into Century Gothic font family. And now as you can see, it is now in Century Gothic font family. Lastly, in the CSS tab, in here, if you have any kind of custom CSS or design that you already have in mind, you can put it in here. And if you are now finished editing your feed, we are going to embed this now into our website. Now we're going to click this embedded website button, and this will pop up this what is your website builder. So we are going to choose what website builder we're going to embed this to. Now in our case, it is WordPress. So we're going to click WordPress, and this will show the step-by-step instruction on how to embed this into our website. Now we're going to follow this by first copying the code. And now we're going to our WordPress website. In here, we're going to have a title first. And just a reminder, you can always put your feed into a existing page or in a new page, which we are going to do. So we're going to add the title of Zillow reviews, and we're going to add the block, and that block is custom HTML. And from here, we're going to paste our JavaScript code that we copied earlier. And that is basically it. All you have to do now is publish it, or you can preview it first so you can see which content that you want to add or which thing that you want to change before fully publishing it. So if we can publish it now and view the page, and as you can see, this is now our Zillow reviews. Everything that we change in the SociableKIT customization page is also embedded in here. So from the font family, from the color theme, from the column count, and also the color and so on is also embedded in here. Now that is all, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like and subscribe and ring that notification down below so you are updated into our new video tutorials of our different kinds of widgets. And comment down below if you have any feedback, suggestions, or you just want to support us. That is cool. And I'll catch you guys in the next video tutorial.